Hey guys, it's me. So today we're going to be opening some fidget blind bags. So here it is. I'll show you. So here they are. Here's the monkey noodle. Let's put it right there. We've got the mochis and the what's it called? Oh yeah, the simple dimple. We got another monkey noodle and some pea poppers. And then so we're going to start vlogging again. So here I am, and I also made a checklist, and you can see it right now. It's right here. I'm just gonna turn it on. See? So let's go right here where it's sunny so you can see. So it says ultra rare, common, rare, limited edition, legendary, and rarest. Fidget checklist number 1, simple dimple. It's ultra rare, color pink and blue. Number 2, mochi gray, and it's the common. The number 3, mochi orange and black. And it's rare. And then number 4, pea popper. It's limited edition. 5 and 6, glitter pen, legendary and rarest. Okay, so I'm going to put back. Oh my gosh, the checklist going. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, so I've got the blind bag. So right here. So it's right there, and I've got some scissors. Be careful, guys. So first they're gonna open, and let's see first. Here's the pea popper, and it said it's limited edition. The pea popper is limited edition, and then the monkey noodles are rarest, and it looks like this one. The simple dimple is ultra rare, and the orange and black is common. The orange and black is actually rare, and this one is common. I don't know what color it is, but it says it's common. And the last one, you have another monkey noodle, and it says it's legendary. So I got my scissors right here, and we're gonna open. First that we're gonna open is the pea popper, or since I think we're gonna open this one first, then this one, then this one, then this one. But I think let's do this one first. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so if you want to watch, I'm gonna put it right here. Can you see me? I'm going to put it over. Okay, so you can see me. So I'm gonna put it right there. So let's open. Be careful. Oh my god. I literally hit one. Look at it, guys. I think these are monkey noodles. Oh my gosh, they're so stretchy. Okay, let's open the next one. Let's open the legendary. And let's open up. the other ones were green, orange, and yellow. So let's open the next one. Let's open the pea poppers. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, here. Okay, it's right here. There are two pictures, and I think there's another one. Oh yeah. Let's squeeze. Okay. And lastly, ta-da! Oh my god, it won't open, so let's try the other side. Yeah. Literally won't open, guys. There it opened, and finally. Let's take out the simple dimple. No. Oh my god, I can see a mochi. It's like a mochi. A mochi's leg. It's coming out. The legs have come out. Okay, mochi. Go down first. And it looks like it's the mochi right here. It's so soft. Oh, here it is. It's so soft and fluffy. And by the way, I thought these monkey noodles were like so stretchy. And the pea poppers are too hard to squeeze. Oh my god. Okay, let's open the other one of them. Oh, the simple dimple coming out. Okay, here it is. The soft side. And here is the other side. I'm not kidding, guys, but I think the soft side has oil. Let me go. Okay. Oh, there's another mochi. Whoa, so here it is, guys. It looks like it's got a crack, but I still love it. So I hope you like that video. See you guys next time. Bye. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye. And subscribe for more blind bag fidget videos. Bye.